Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the single crochet two together. All you will be doing is taking 2 stitches and combining them into one with a single crochet stitch. So let me show you a single crochet in one loop, in one stitch. That's our single crochet. But if you want to take 2 stitches and decrease or single crochet them together, insert your hook into the first, yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3. Yarn over and pull through all 3, and you will see that those 2 stitches have now been combined into one stitch here. So one more time, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through. You have 2 loops. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull back through, and you will have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 to complete the single crochet 2 stitches together. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.